In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in Windows 10 Extended Security Updates and activate your ESU license. If you're still using Windows 10 after its end of support date, Extended Security Updates, or ESU, are what keep your device protected with critical security patches. This process might sound technical, but I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any stress. First, make sure your copy of Windows 10 is properly activated and updated to the latest version that still supports ESU. You can quickly confirm this by opening the Start menu, going to Settings, then Update and Security, and checking for any pending updates. Install whatever is available, then restart your device if needed. Having all the latest cumulative updates installed helps avoid activation issues later. Next, you'll need a valid ESU license. Typically, this comes from your organization's volume licensing, a cloud subscription, or a reseller authorized to provide ESU. Once you have your ESU license key, keep it handy. Treat it like you would a normal Windows product key and never share it publicly. Before you activate that key, there is usually an ESU preparation update or servicing stack update that must be installed. This update enables your system to recognize and process ESU licenses properly. If you're not sure whether it's installed, head back into Windows Update and let it check automatically, or download it directly from Microsoft's Update Catalog based on your Windows 10 build. After installing it, restart the computer. Now you're ready to activate the ESU license. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, you'll use a licensing command to install your ESU key. Carefully type the command provided by Microsoft for ESU activation, followed by your product key. Press Enter, and wait for the confirmation message that the key has been installed successfully. Once the key is installed, you'll need to activate it online. In that same command prompt window, run the activation command to contact Microsoft's activation servers. If your internet connection is stable and the key is valid, you should see a message confirming that activation was successful. Finally, go back to Windows Update one more time and check for updates. If everything is set up correctly, your device should now start receiving extended security updates going forward. That's the full process. Update Windows 10, install the ESU enabling updates, install your ESU key, activate it, and then confirm updates are flowing. Follow these steps carefully, and your Windows 10 machine will stay protected with the latest critical security fixes even beyond the standard support period.